Hello friends, in this video we are going to farm the Inco airdrop. Now Inco is a new layer 1 and it has the potential to give a decent airdrop, and in this video I will exactly show you few steps as to how you can go ahead and farm this airdrop. Now Inco has received a overall funding of around if I remember correctly 5.25 million US dollars, and currently there is less competition while farming this airdrop. Now the first thing that you want to do is you can visit their link over here, which is Linktree, and you may want to join the Discord channel for the latest updates with regards to airdrops and the development on the Inco network chain. Now this is their official website over here where you can start actually building projects on the Inco network if you know a bit of programming. If not, then basically you can go ahead and learn their programming, and if you want to get into blockchain and want to start building different dApps or maybe DeFi or maybe some other ecosystem projects, you can go ahead and do it. To be honest, even I am learning a bit of programming these days, some Move programming and some Solidity, because I'm thinking of getting into blockchain full time maybe in the future. I'm not sure. And once you do that, all you have to do is basically you will need to go to their faucet.inco.org over here, and then simply go ahead and click on add Inco network to your wallet. Now once you click over here, this page will pop up. Now you have to fill in all the details to your MetaMask wallet. So simply go to your MetaMask wallet over here, select this drop down, click on add network manually, then again click on add a network manually, and simply go ahead and copy all of this. For example, you can copy this one over here, paste it over here, then RPC URL you can paste it over here. So similarly you can do everything, just copy paste from here and click on save. Now this will add Inco testnet to your MetaMask wallet. Since I have already added it, I won't be doing it again, so I will go ahead and close this one. Now once you do that, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and deploy a token on Inco network. So simply go to thirdweb.com over here. Now once again, don't spam this, do it only once, and I will leave all these links in the description for you guys to easily navigate through the links and follow the process and the steps that I am showing you. Now simply click on deploy over here, and now we'll deploy a token on the Inco network. So I will name the token Pudgy, again Pudgy, and description also Pudgy because I like Pudgy Penguin NFTs. This is your wallet address. In the network, you can go ahead and search Inco, but you won't be able to find it because the Inco network is not added yet over here. So what you have to do is basically you will need to click on add custom network over here. And the first thing is select testnet over here. Now go back to this and copy this one over here and paste the network name over here. Then what was the chain ID? Chain ID is 9090. So I will simply type 9090 and symbol is Inco, and RPC URL I will go ahead and copy this one over here and click on paste. Now I will go ahead and click on add network. Now as you can see, the network has been added successfully. Now you can go ahead and deploy this contract over here. Now deploying this contract might take some time, so you can basically go ahead and finish off by deploying the contract on ThirdWeb over here. So I will quickly show you as to how it can be done. So after doing this, there would be a pop-up on the MetaMask that would be coming, which I just accepted right now. You have to accept it, and then basically it will go ahead and add this to your dashboard over here. So once again, let me actually go ahead and finish this for you. So simply go ahead and sign it over here, and it will use some gas fees from your MetaMask. So as you can see, it was close to 0.5 and now it's 0.499, so not much of a difference. So as you can see, now my contract has been successfully deployed. So you can now head over to the token tab over here basically, and if you want, sorry, I will just silent my mobile. If you want, you can basically go ahead and mint these tokens over here. So simply click on mint over here, and maybe the supply I will keep it to 1 million, and simply go ahead and click on mint. So this will mint some additional pudgy tokens to your Inco testnet. I will click on confirm over here, and please note that at times this might give error, but you can keep trying until it's completely minted. Now we'll come back to this page because this might take some time. No, it's done now. Now basically what you can do is you can go ahead and interact with this token over here. Maybe you can like burn. So I will go ahead and burn one of them. You can also do the same thing, and you can also airdrop to some other wallet, and maybe if you want you can transfer it to your Inco network token on some other MetaMask wallet if you want to go ahead and do it. So basically you can go ahead and interact with the token that you have deployed. Now you can have a look at it. I will leave all the links in the description for you guys. Now the next thing that you will need to do is we'll go ahead and deploy a contract on Remix over here. So basically you have to create a new workspace, and in the depths basically you can go and check this file in our library over here, tfhe.sol. Now if this file is not here, hold on, let me check once again. My mobile is not silent yet for some reason. Okay, now it's silent. So simply go to this file. If this file is not over here, you can go to my GitHub over here and copy the raw code, and maybe you can create a similar file called as tfhe.sol by simply clicking over here and copy and pasting this code. Now once you do that, simply go to compile over here, and please note that if we go ahead and check the code over here, the pragma solidity is like 0.8.20. so in the compiler it should be like 0.8.20 and not the latest version. Now once you do that, simply go ahead and click on injected provider MetaMask over here, and then your MetaMask address will pop up, and simply go ahead and click on deploy. Now basically you are done deploying a contract on Inco network using Remix. So as you can see, I have also burned this token over here, and maybe in the future I might mint a NFT on this ThirdWeb also on the Inco network. So these are some of the steps that you can do in order to farm the Inco network airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.